Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with a clean canvas. Wash and pat your face dry. Once done, shake the plum toner to mix active ingredients, then dispense 1-2 drops onto a cotton pad or into your palm. You'll want to swipe gently from center outward, focusing on oil-prone zones. Use light pressure, do not rub harshly, because toner helps balance pH and prepares skin for serums. Make sure to note fragrance or tingling. That guides how often you repeat this step. Once the toner is absorbed, you move into layering. Tap a thin layer where you need it most, T-zone, cheeks, and steer clear of the eye area. Make sure to wait 30 to 60 seconds. That pause lets the formula sink in and enhances serum penetration. If your routine includes acids or vitamin C, alternate mornings and nights to reduce irritation. For acne-prone skin, you may use toner once daily at first. For normal or tolerant skin, twice daily is acceptable. To finish, lock hydration in. Apply your moisturizer immediately, and in the morning follow with SPF. At night, choose a richer cream. If you notice redness, burning, or persistent peeling, stop using the product and rinse the area, then patch test individual ingredients to identify the cause. If sensitivity continues, consult a dermatologist. Also, store the toner away from direct heat and use it within the product's
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.